Hello everybody, Motion Graphics 1 User Interface Animation is a professional core competency course. It is an important component of cultivating students' professional skills and also a highly operational and practical course.
It mainly provides comprehensive practical simulation training for us to learn how to design interfaces and create animations for the final display of the interface. It is hoped that through this course, you can enhance your practical design skills and adapt to the requirements of being a competent new media animation designer in society. In this course, we need to understand the concept of UI design, composition architecture of app, category, expression method, and design principles and methods of various equipment interfaces. Learn icon design, color matching, format design and animation design, and basic UI design elements and design methods. During this process, comprehensive professional qualities such as communication, teamwork, language expression, written expression, and self-learning are required. And it is necessary to cultivate creative thinking and production abilities, enhance aesthetic awareness in order to meet the objective needs of internship work in future comprehensive training, and also improve students' ability to master software.
In order to help you better understand the knowledge we have learned in this class, let's take a look at a student's case.
The content of this page is the initial look of a group of students' UI design interfaces. As you can see, they made a sports app. Its color and layout are relatively simple. After learning this course, here is the modified page. We can see that there is a big difference between before and after the modification. There have been significant improvements in layout, color, and functionality, making the overall page interface and app feature much richer. So I hope that after completing this course, you can also independently and comprehensively design a set of app interfaces. In the end, we will create a comprehensive motion graphics video after completing the animation design to better showcase the content of the app. Okay, let's begin studying the first chapter of this course, the elements and basic methods of UI design. First, let's understand what interface design is. UI, short for user interface, refers to the user interface. In a broad sense, the UI interface is an operating platform for interaction between humans and machines. It serves as a medium for users and machines to exchange information. You can refer to the following diagram to understand it better. Consider and design from three aspects: human-computer interaction, operational logic, and visual aesthetics. Now, let's contemplate the question: what are the differences in expressing content between websites and applications and book posters? The answer is that websites and applications are interconnected through links, while books and posters do not have links. This leads us to our second point, the impact of linking. We know that websites and applications can connect different elements through links and navigate between them. Whether it's a personal computer, smartphone, or tablet, the relevance of information is created through the links. Therefore, our key focus in design should be on how to connect each element with others. We just discussed are interconnected through links, which means that there is a three-dimensional spatial structure between pages: vertical, horizontal, and sequential. If the pages are connected through links to create a context, then a single page must also be designed based on the context. Otherwise, even the most exquisite page becomes a poor design that hinders smooth use. In order to give you a better understanding, here is a simple example, the picture of the various pages of the Apple website. Why it is necessary to design websites and applications through a three-dimensional perspective and concept. First of all, when using websites and apps, users must know where they are on the website and app so that they can find the page they need and move to where they want to go. Otherwise, it is absolutely impossible to move to the destination page without a keyword clearly indicating destination. With the spatial relationship of the plane, let's look at the three-dimensional relationship. The picture is Apple's website, one of the websites that belong to the three-dimensional structure. Websites and applications are complex structures made up of many pages that are connected by links. So at the beginning of the design, we should consider the relationship between all the pages. Finally, let's learn about the process and content of app design. The first step is to determine the creative direction or brainstorm around the theme. There are many types of apps, including news, e-commerce, social, health, campus, medical, music, and tools. Is your creativity similar to others? If there is a similar app, you'd better think more about it to make it better and have some unique optimization designs. In the early stages of creativity, it is necessary to brainstorm and expand ideas to determine product functions. Step 2. Positioning your application and analyzing user requirements. A comprehensive user requirements analysis for a mature app is typically detailed and complex. For example, this is a digital innovative pet app. We can see that in the early stage, they analyze the business background, market dynamics of the pet industry, product value, user surveys, product advantages, etc., and conducted very detailed planning and research. We don't have to do all this, but something important such as user drawings, user research, and analysis of user requirements are still essential. The final step in the design process and content of the app is to confirm the core functions, and the principle of subtraction must be used. You will summarize and discuss the various requirements proposed. Make a statement about the application definition, abbreviated as ADS, which is Application Definition Statement. This step is not yet covered now, and we will complete it in future courses.
Okay, now that's all for this course.
Here is an exercise for you after class. Work in pairs with classmates. Determine the creative direction of the app you want to create and then brainstorm around the theme. Then make a simple positioning application and user requirements analysis. The specific content to be done was mentioned in the previous PPT. Hope you guys can complete it carefully according to what you have learned in class.